The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. I hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for a great day. Yesterday was wild and wacky, but not really from trading. Let's see if today's a calmer day. Let's look at the markets, shall we? Hey, Imad, how you doing? 49.71 the high on ES. Looks like low came last hour, 49.54. 17 points the range. And Q high, 769. Low, 670. 109 points the range. Hey, Sid, how you doing? Copper, only about 60 ticks of range. Gold, tight range as well. 7 points. Z Ultra Bond, about 3/4 of a point. Crude oil heading up, new high on this candle. It's like about 110 ticks of range. Natural gas coming down. Bitcoin hanging right below 43,000. So that's where we should stand, or whatever body posture you're choosing to take as we are ready to rock and rumble. All right, good luck on that, I mean. It does seem to be popping up there. Excellent. Yep, not only that, but if you get through the live stand and get to the brokerage, you get your eval fee back. So this was a nice move up here. This blue candle here would have been a good take, but I wasn't yet paying attention at that point. Hey, JC, how you doing? Everything's looking positive right now. Everything I'm watching here, crude, gold, indices, and the Ultra Bond, all green right now. I'm doing all right. I'm calmed down from the stress of yesterday. This morning at 8:30, Canadian building permits. Guess what? That ain't gonna move the market. And at 11 o'clock, New York Fed quarterly household credit report. That's marked as red. I don't remember seeing that before. But not a lot of news on the docket this morning. No, not planned. Nice move up here. What's your target, Imad? Yeah, it was quite the day. I did not think that that video was going to create the firestorm that it did. Everything's heading up. Trying to recover from the losses that we've seen since Europe opened. The video did what I wanted it to do, and that was got answers. And hopefully Sage learned some lessons from it. With the Ultra Bond running here. Yep. Do you have a upside target there? Ooh, that is a stretch. But I hope you get it. Are you trailing the stop? Good. Excellent. Excellent. Gold pulling back a little bit. Ultra Bond's still going. And all the indices still looking really, really good. What was your entry on that trade, I'm at, if you don't mind my asking? And if you do, just tell me to shut up. Would be the first or the last time someone told me to shut up. Nice, 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 nice. It's just about 20 points now. Hey, Robin. Good morning to you. In case you didn't see it on the Discord, Robin just requested another, what was it? $14,000 from Apex Trader Funding. Good job, my man. Good job. Pull back there in gold. Ultra bond coming down as well now. Yeah, Blue Sky is a great deal right now. Somewhere I even have this thing ready to pop. There's my thing ready to pop. 50% off all Blue Sky accounts. And once you pass, and once you once you get through the live sim and get put on the live brokerage account, you get your eval feedback. So it's basically like a free eval as long as you believe you can make it to the live brokerage account. And 50% off is a good deal, even either way. And I still love their static growth account, especially for people that have trouble with risk management, because you start off with 5 micros, and then you can keep once you're live, when live or whatever, you can keep adding more as the risk manager thinks you can. But starting off with 5 micros kind of keeps you grounded if you're having problems with risk management. But all the other accounts are on sale too, 25, 50K, 100K. And Josh is great to work with, the Blue Sky staff. Right, and there's no activation fee. And that's normal for them. That's not even a sale. There's never an activation fee with Blue Sky. Anyway, if interested, link of course is in the video description below. And being posted by Nightbot, I think, at some point. I mean, the regular accounts, you don't need to use micros. And the static growth account, micros is just for the eval. Once you get funded, then you're allowed 1 mini, and then you can scale up to 20 minis. I guess that whole micro thing though, that's kind of like leave out a set of traders that trade like the Ultra Bond. And I never thought about that fact. But yeah, that static growth for certain assets that don't have a micro. I didn't even think about that. So no, you couldn't trade treasuries, and you could only trade a couple of the currencies, and you could only trade a couple of the metals. Still heading up here. All right, good luck, JC. Sid, I'll answer half that question. She trades ES mostly, and then some NQ. As for the profit, she'll have to answer that one. I think it's either 2 weeks or a month, because you can request Apex every 2 weeks, I think, or 10 trading days. So that's like 2 weeks. But I'll let her answer that, assuming she hasn't snuck out the back door. There we go. Look at NQ continuing to rise here, rising up. Yeah, oftentimes she posts that she's done before the bell even rings. Ooh, nice pullback there on gold. Ultra Bond just opened and it's still pulling back too. And crude pulled back. NQ and ES still going. Russell's pulling back. Dow's just kind of sitting there, sticking its tongue out at JC. which is quite rude when you think about it. Her apex army. Huh, I wonder if I could do that in AI. Seeing a bit of a pullback here on the NQ. Not sure why I keep doing a bad French accent. There, folks, if you're enjoying the stream, I expect to enjoy the stream. Pretty sure if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Still going up. Up, up, and away. So waiting for our first entry. All right. Good luck, Ahmad. Canadian building permits news coming up in a couple minutes. I don't think that moves the market. Purple candle here. I'm interested if my cat is talking. Hey, John, how you doing? How was your business meeting yesterday? I would file a lawsuit, John. Seriously, your trading is getting in the way. I mean, I'm sorry, your job is getting in the way of your trading. You need to really do something about that. We are short. Sorry, I'm going against you. Hopefully, I'm. Oh, stopped out. Okay, so I'm not going against you. You already were stopped out. Sorry to hear that, Matt. Hopefully you didn't get back too much. Excellent, John. Making up for lost time. Oh, excellent, Matt. Good to hear. And as you can see, the building permits news did not do anything for the market. It's not looking good. Wow, really not looking good. Seven and a half point stop here. Yeah, that's right. Push that sucker back down. A little less than an hour till the bell. There we go. That looks better. Target is VWAP or the 100 EMA. They're both at the same spot. I don't know why I run that Nightbot with Apex when it's 71%. No one ever buys Apex at 71% anymore. Come on. Oh, wow. Now we're back to red. Come on. Well, we're back to not looking good. John, Bobby Witt signed an extension with the Royals for $280 million or something like that. The Tigers released Nick Maton and a couple more relief pitchers signed. Not that I've seen. My guess is he won't get picked up until injuries start happening in spring training. Stopped out. So that's short did not work. I was kind of surprised that they released Maton before spring training and all that. Probably, but I mean, Soto was not great last year. So it's going to really see. I mean, there was talk, I'm on a Phillies forum of Phillies fans, and a lot of people were wondering if he was going to get non-tendered over the winter. Obviously, he did get tendered, but I think this year is going to be an important year. Look at this. So this came up, stopped me out, back down. Look at that. Look at that. Jerks. I'll try again. Probably should have looked at a different chart on that, but that's okay. Damn it. See, Ultraviolet continues down. JC, YM never let you in, did it? Gold popping back up? No, sorry, gold's coming down, not popping back up. Yeah, you missed a lot of drama, John. I released a video. Okay, quick synopsis. On the My Funded Futures Discord, their head honcho, not the CEO, but the next guy, said that major changes were coming to Apex in March, that 20 accounts was going away. So I screenshotted that and I posted a video about it, giving why I think that might happen and why I don't think it'll happen. And a firestorm erupted over that. And eventually Trade Sage from My Funded Futures came to me pretty much begging me to take it down because he said Apex was threatening them. There was no truth to the rumor. He admitted he made it all up, even though he presented it as fact, like he knew something that he actually didn't know. He was just guessing and speculating based on the word of a couple of traders. So Sage learned a big lesson about presenting stuff as fact. They were choppy here, little more than 45 minutes till the bell. I think he was just trying to. Apex is considered number one. I think in their eyes, Apex is number one. I think Topstep's number one. But either way, I think Sage was just trying to scare people away from Apex to come to My Funded Futures. One of Apex's big advantages is the whole 20 accounts thing. It's something that draws people in, and I think I think maybe Sage partially believed what he was saying because he said he was basing it on a couple of things that traders were saying. I think he just was looking for an advantage and kind of ran with a couple ideas in his mind. I mean, I can't speak for him. I don't know what his actual thought process was, but it was definitely a mistake to present it as fact. but yet they don't allow algos, so I'm kind of confused how that works, John. Yeah, I mean, I don't have anything against Sage, but I think sometimes when he's trying to inform, it's more wishful thinking sometimes. Like he's presenting as something he feels will happen, that it's more something he hopes is going to happen. If that makes sense. All right, there's finally hit your entry there, huh, JC? Huh. That's weird because Justin Eck got nailed by Apex for using a bot that took 3, 4 trades a day, and they still paid him out, but they said if you ever do it again, you won't get paid out. And they required him to record his trades for a while to prove he was not using his algo. And I'm gonna get stopped out again. I should have got out in that blue candle form. I wasn't thinking. This doesn't want to drop, but it doesn't want to go up either. There are other rhythmic based um, props that do allow algos. Bulenox, I believe, allows algos. I would have to check that, but I'm pretty. I think they do. Uh, Earn the Trade does. Oh, stopped out again. So we won't go back to that well again. Not having a good day. And honestly, I should have got out on that blue candle, and I just wasn't thinking. Back up to its highs. Well, I should say highs. Back up to its recent highs of 740. Overnight high still a ways, a little bit of ways away, about 30 points away, 69. ES is closing in on its overnight highs though, about 2 points away. Yeah, Bulenox allows 11 accounts. I'm pretty sure they allow algos. I'll have to ask Justin. He's the my algo person. This mic is too good. So I should have taken that blue candle. Do I know if there's an Apex account that allows Tradovate and NinjaTrader to be used for both platforms? I think if you have the newest version of NinjaTrader, then you can use Tradovate. Yeah, what IMAG just said. But you need to have the latest version of Ninja in order to use a Tradovate account on it. Wouldn't work for you. That's right. You did have problems with that. Oh, that's right. That's right. And you had to revert back to an older form of Ninja, right? Yeah, they're gonna eventually have to change that. But yeah, as long as you're using the old version, you really can't integrate Tradovate. Hey, Billy BTC. John uses an algo called the Holy Grail. I do not use any algos at this point. And welcome to the stream. Nice to have you. Sorry to hear that, JC. I would use algo if I could find someone to code my um, my strat. So about 35 minutes to the bell, and we're just kind of waiting for our next entry. I should have taken the blue candle. Billy, BTC in your name. I am assuming you trade crypto. Are you also trading futures or? Watch BTC just be his initials. It's not like meant. It's not meaning Bitcoin. Market has stalled out here. Oh, okay. Excellent. How long have you been trading? Day trading. I ask a lot of questions of new people. You can just tell me to shut up and mind my own business if you like. We have a nice little community here, and I hope you come to like it. Hanging at 17,740. Speaking of oil, popping up a little bit there. Its market opens here in 10 seconds. Ooh, and it dumps as it opens, down 15 ticks. Actually, that's not really a dumping, but pushes down. So 30 minutes till the bell. Where will we go? Been a positive morning all morning for the indices. Knock, knock. Who's there? JC. JC who? JC, I want to take a trade on UV. Let me in. Uh, hey, Leo. Um, it was taken down. I was asked by both parties to take it down. Sage, who started that rumor, even though he presented it as fact, apologized and admitted that he was just speculating. And he asked me to take it down after I guess Apex may have had a strongly worded message for him, and he apologized, which was posted on Apex's Discord. All right, good luck, JC. Good morning, Ace. So yeah, the video was taken down because it did what I wanted it to do. It got the answers that we saw it, and hopefully Sage learned a lesson. Yep, I mean Apex denied everything, said none of it's true. So if that ends up changing now, they'll look really bad. Ace, I posted a video yesterday that created a huge controversy. Huge enough that I was worried for a few minutes that I was going to lose my Apex account. It was the most activity the MightyOxTrading Discord's gotten in a long time. Sid's here, Ace. We're a week away for RJ. And yeah, I'll go through the story. No, both sides of the situation pretty much asked me to take it down. And I did because the purpose of the video had been resolved. I mean, it's still sitting on YouTube. It's just set to private. I could put it to unlisted, and then people could still see it if I send them the link. By the way, speaking of sending things, did you get my email, Ace, with your memes? Still trying to push up here. It is trying to get back up to its highs. I'm mad you were right about where this was going earlier when you wanted to target the highs, but I think staying in it for this long would have grinded on your nerves really bad. JC gets up and does dishes. Oh, sorry, JC. Oh, do you need me to like send it in smaller chunks, Ace, or do you need a new hard drive? Absolutely. No news. The only other news we have today, um, New York Fed quarterly household credit report at 11 o'clock. And then at noon, there's a Fed speaker, and at 1 o'clock, there's a Fed speaker. Oh, wait a minute. I don't know if she's going to say anything, but at 10 o'clock, U.S. Treasury Secretary Yellen is speaking. So we might need to watch out for that. Yellen's going to be yelling. Oh, Leo, I'm sorry. Yeah, I didn't even realize you were new. I apologize. I wasn't thinking. First of all, welcome to the channel. Do I trade everything here? 90% of my trades are on NQ. But I will take a trade on the other things at times if I see a setup I really like. Oh yeah, I saw. I actually watched a video on Palin, whatever. I actually saw a video on it last week where I watched a guy called Zip Charlie or whatever, Zip Trader Charlie, and he was talking about Palantir, and then yeah, yesterday was earnings. That was a beautiful move up. It's still going up. I see it above 20 now. Wow. Yeah, I had thought about taking a trade because I still had that Ally investment account. I was thinking about taking a trade in Palantir when it was first mentioned a few days back, and I didn't. Wish I had. So thank you for joining us, Leo. Would you mind telling us a little bit about yourself? How long have you been trading? Do you trade your own accounts or prop firms? What do you like to trade? And again, if you don't want to share, just tell me to shut up and mind my own business. It's 10 minutes till the bell. 20, 20, 20. Crude's pushing down. Gold's pulling back. Good luck, Ace. Oops, we lost Leo already. Yeah. Guess that's his way of saying, mind my own business. For those not part of the Discord, Robin just posted her daily totals. She made about an average of $330 per account over 8 accounts today. So about a $2,500 day. Quick math. And Q knocking on 750 here. Knock, knock, knocking on 750. Oh, there she is. I forgot she was here. I didn't know she was still here. How big is that laundry room? Haven't you been doing that for like 6 weeks now? See, and she's done before the bell. Hey, look at that, Robin. When you're here and I talk about your day, you get all these kudos. You are the rock star today. Oh, less than 15 minutes. Hopefully, we'll get another trade here somewhere soon. Well, we'll wait till probably after the bell, but we'll see. Have a great day, Robin. Hey, if Robin wants to do an interview, absolutely, I would do that. Not sure Robin wants to do that though. Oh yeah, but the public wants to. You're getting a following. You're gonna have groupies. I know. I know. That's what I said. It was Sid's idea. Blame him. And there's 750. Oh yeah, it hit 751 earlier. Remember 769 overnight high. Hey RJ, how you doing? Since we have about 10 minutes before the bell, for those that weren't part of it, who wants to hear the Apex and my funded futures drama from yesterday that I caused to explode? So, on the My Funded Futures Discord, the guy named Sage, which I think runs that prop. He's not the CEO, but the CEO has multiple props, one in forex, one in futures, or two in forex, one in futures, whatever. So I think Sage is like his guy he put in charge of that prop. Anyway, so a couple of weeks back, he posted on the My Funded Futures Discord that Apex Trader Funding was going to have major changes in March, and that the ability to have 20 accounts, which is something that everybody loves, is going to go away. He posted this as fact, like he knew some sort of insider information. So I got screenshots and I did a video. I had a feeling Sage was stretching things, but I'll put it that way. I did a video. Our changes coming to Apex is 20 accounts going away. I posted that video yesterday, and it blew up. Everyone was on the Apex Discord asking about it, and my Discord was absolutely rocking. And you know, eventually it got to the point that I guess Apex contacted my funded futures, and I don't know. All Sage said was that they were threatening. I don't know if they were threatening lawsuit or what. No one ever seemed to hate me. So I was just a messenger. But because of my video, we got Sage ended up making a public apology that was posted on the Apex Trader for Discord, and admitted he basically made it all up based on speculation, based on what a couple of traders told him. And both parties, both Apex and my funded futures, asked me to take the video down. Sage asked me first, almost begging me. I think he was scared that they were gonna like sue him or something. So I did end up taking the video down after it was up for about 5 hours. It was my one of my best performing videos ever, though. But yeah, I caused a big commotion between two prop firms. I almost caused a lawsuit. But hopefully Sage learned his lesson. And I got the resolution I wanted, that the rumors weren't true. Because if they were true and Apex was hiding that information, that would have been bad as well. So it was basically, the video was meant to cause a little bit of a firestorm. I wanted, either someone to say, yeah, I was making that up, or yeah, these rumors are true and this is happening. And so I got the resolution I was looking for. I didn't expect it to blow up totally the way it did. At one point, I was wondering if I was going to need legal counsel. We're 5 minutes to the bell. Nice. Crude's popping. So I was mentally exhausted by the end of yesterday. And it sucked having to take the video down. I actually showed my face in the video. And it was one of my better produced videos. Two-minute warning, 2 minutes. As Ace just said. NQ's pulling back here real quick. I think we're coming down at the open, but we'll see. 5 seconds. Oh, crap, I forgot my little bell thingy. Well, I'll do my bell today. Ding, 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 ding. Forgot to do the regular bell thing, and I was totally wrong about coming down at the open. Shoots up to 756. That's why I don't like play the open. Ooh, but the Dow shoots down. Pushing up. 67 overnight high touch. Didn't quite get there. Within 2 points, though. Gold coming down. Big drop on the Russell. What the heck happened at the Russell? 7 down. We got within 2 points of overnight highs. Pulled back. About 12. Where will she go from here? From here. All right. Good luck, Ace. Going for his 2. Looks like it's dropping. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. And then Q turns red. We're burning red. So I was right. Market is going to come down at the open. Just decided to go up first. My cat's saying hello. Wishing everybody a great trading day. Wow, that lot happened to that one sentence there, Ace. Oh crap! Today's Tuesday. Did you get the trash out, Ace? Dow popping up. Dow's now up by 30 after originally dropping by like 40. Take it easy. Take it easy. Russell rebound. And Q hitting every line known to man. He made buttered noodles at like 7 in the morning. I mean, I can't say I've never had them for breakfast, but I thought I was weird. Security, please remove RJ. I know. Hey. Is it really? So I've been singing that wrong my entire life. Not that I ever really sing that song often. Pushing down. Did a kid request that for breakfast days? I was gonna take that short, and it was running into a bunch of EMAs, so I didn't. Now I have to wait for the bounce. So I was 100% right that we were going to drop. It just went up first, so I'm glad I didn't take it right away, because that would have been a horrible stop. Then I wish I had taken it once it came back down and was back to red. But that's okay. ES with a nice purple candle there. The Dow's rising up. Ace, are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? Gold's popping up. Dow's still running. Russell's still running. Russell and Dow going up. ES and Q going down. Crude oil up. Ultra bond up. Right. Popping back up. Popping, stopping, popping like a rabbit. When it gets me near, then he knows I guess the hay of it. Wow, Dow just is the moon? Dow is definitely at its daily high. Trying to touch the recovery pop from yesterday. Looks like it might be double topping there at that wick from yesterday. I'm sorry, 587. I think that was. Yeah, 587, 594. ES kind of do the same thing. Let's take a quick gander here. Wow, good Tesla taking off. Apple's kind of mixed. AMD's down. Meta's bleh. I heard Nvidia's dumping. I don't have that chart up. Russell ran. Everything is green right now, actually. Agriculture looks kind of ugly this morning. Morning, Burrow. How you doing? Nice bounce here. I kind of want to take it. Maybe not. Remember, Yellen is yelling at the top of the hour. Don't know if she'll say anything that causes the markets to rock and roll. And speaking of rock and roll, we can transition to country for those of you that are country music fans. If you haven't heard, country music legend Toby Keith died overnight. Toby Keith, country music superstar Toby Keith. Yeah. I should have been a cowboy. Should have learned to rope and ride. Red Solo Cup. Still trying to pop. Popping, stopping, hopping. Purple candle. Still 3.5 minutes on it. See if it comes back for me. T.O., you do realize this isn't the evening stream, right? I don't think I've ever seen you here in the morning. Seriously, how you doing? Wow, look at that Dow. Just exploding. We have an exploding Dow and an exploding Russell. I'm doing good. Big flushing down here. This is a 32-point candle. Boom. Boom chakalaka. 40-point candle. Thirty seconds on this big old purple candle. It's 32 points now. Kind of pushing, pulling up here, giving back a bunch. Got down under 700.
FYI, someone should smack me because I didn't take that purple candle. That was part of my plan, and I didn't take it. It was below my signal line. It was purple, below the 20, everything. And you can see it. Look at that. Well, there is 670 for RJ. Sitting right on 670 now. Got down to 663. RJ is having himself a week, and it's only Tuesday. Bouncing back up here. Got down to 659, bouncing up back up to 680 right now. As RJ says, dancing on the Olo. Sounds like it could be a song too. Dow finally may have reached the top at 633. It's pulled back by about 30. Russell pulled back a little bit, but it's trying to go right back up. And this, and keeps trying to get back that whole red candle there. Trying to get back up to 700. Gold heading back up. Ace is out on bus duty. Everyone besides RJ got quiet. Do you want to thank everyone for being here today? Appreciate if you would hit that thumbs up button. Trying to grow the channel, preferably without any more controversial videos. Excuse me 1 second. Actually, let me check something here. No, not. Don't excuse me 1 second. And my cat's meowing again. Yeah, now excuse me 1 second. I'm back, guys, and we're still heading down. Welcome back, Ace. Looks like we're heading down toward that 649 that RJ called. I just called to say we're going down to my level. I don't know. I'm getting sillier every day. Ah, so he heard you complain, so now he's coming early. Or she. I guess I should speculate. Gets down to 663. Previous was 659. You give him the stink eye? Oh. Why am I now tempted to make an ace running with a violin? Anywho. Still pushing down here. Dow fell nicely. Gold, purple. Here we go, RJ. 53. There you go. And now Yellen is supposed to be talking. Let's see if she makes any headlines. That is one heck of a sentence. The PB dance at the OLO and then jammed it down. Oh yeah, I mean I liked it. I liked his line. Everything's kind of red right now. Does this mean anything for those of you that know things about financials? The SEC are set to label hedge fund trading, sorry about the noise, guys, U.S. Treasuries as dealers. Holding a meeting to vote on this today. Does that mean anything? Well, this is just dropping now. What's our overnight low? Oh, we're at overnight low. Never mind. Wow. Yesterday's low, 554. No headlines coming out of Yellen yet. Oh, wait. Actually, well, no, she's still there. I thought she was taken off the calendar. No, they're still there. So we're just going to go down the rest of the day. Tio, are you trading this morning? Excellent. How's it going? Excellent. Great job. Wow. 300 on MES is amazing. So let's see. Let's take a look at crude made a slightly new daily high, but it looks kind of ugly. Ultra Bond still within its overnight range. Ultra Bond hasn't hit a new low or a new high. Gold made a new high, but that's an ugly looking chart too, kind of. You're welcome. A little bit of a pop. Shouldn't say a pop. Yeah, it's come up about 13 points in the low. The low hit 624. And coming right back down. And new low. Continues to fall. No more chasing NQ falls. Oh, that was terrible. I apologize. Apparently, Yellen must not be saying anything important. Nothing's coming across. Financial news. So that's a good thing. Good thing. Good thing. Sitting on the dock of the bay. I don't know of any rules against it, Bulenox, but with Bulenox, but I mean, I haven't really checked that whole micro scalping thing. I mean, I'm not. That's yeah. I mean, the thing is, it doesn't. The whole thing. I'm sorry to hear that, JC. You'll get him tomorrow. Have yourself a great day. Thing is, I don't think he was trying to micro scalp. I mean, I've had trades that's lasted 1 second. So I don't think he was trying to micro scalp there with those situations. I mean, there's times you can just hear me on stream hit a 10-point trade in 2 seconds, and I'm like, oh my god. Thinking of micro trade, I'm in a micro trade. 4 micros heading up here. I did it off that hammer candle there, or whatever you want to call that candle there, on the 5. Shooting for 15 points, so we were shooting for 650. We're at 648 now. Did you really just get within 2 points of my target and pull back? You dirty, dirty dog. There we go. Saw 49, 49, 47, 48, 48. Oh yeah, 649. I probably should just get out here and be happy with 649 because it could bounce there. Yep, I'm out. As I get out, it bursts back up. So that was a nice win there, but needed a win this morning. I wish I had done that in a mini. Didn't even realize I was on the micro chart, but that worked anyway. $48 win. Yeah, pop to 649. It may still get to 650, which is where my target was, but that's okay. Yeah, from what I know, Indy did get a refund. Uh, and they're 650. I should have stayed in. But yeah, if I thought about 649, I would have set my target there. I didn't even think about I gotta start marking the stuff you say, RJ, because that would have been perfect. It would have been would have been a 14-point winner. I mean, manually, I don't think I could take a 1 second trade. My mind just doesn't work that fast. But sometimes the ATM works that fast, especially with NQ. It will shoot up 10 points out of nowhere as soon as you enter a trade, especially if you enter. I find, especially if you enter right at the end of a candle, because that, sometimes you get that burst on a new candle. Still rising up here a bit, up to 654. Pulls back a tad. Reminder, folks, about that blue sky flash sale. That's why I record these instead of trying to do them live. 50% off, and you get, if you make it to the live brokerage account, you get your eval fee funded. It's almost like getting a free evaluation. 50% off. Great deal, great company. Check them out. Links in the video description below. Dropping back down. Ooh, big drop. SEC set to force hedge funds and high frequency traders to register in latest showdown with the industry. Security and Exchange Commission is set to impose new rules that require many private funds to register at the agency as so-called dealers, a move that regulators will say help them better monitor a sometimes wobbly market for U.S. government debt. The private funds industry, high-frequency trading firms, and their allies in Congress, however, predict this rule could lead to some investment companies to flee the market for U.S. Treasuries, bringing greater instability. Senator Bill Hagerty of Tennessee expressed these fears in a letter to Gensler last year, writing that the new rule would only exacerbate a recent trend of liquidity strains in the market for U.S. government debt. The SEC did water down the rule from the initial 2022 proposal, removing a provision that anyone trading more than $25 billion worth of treasuries in 4 of the last 6 calendar months would have to register as a broker-dealer. Sid, are you trading more than $25 billion worth of treasuries a month? Ooh, and I missed a purple candle doing that. Darn it. It would be hard for you to do 2 million shares a day with it's not like you're doing penny stocks. You're doing Tesla and Apple. 2 million shares of Tesla is like, what's 2 million times 200? Like 400 million? Early morning math. You got 400 million in that brokerage account there, Sid? Maybe Sid is wealthier than we think. $202 million. What's the difference? Just trying to pop back up now. So I got one micro win, couple mini losses.
Wow, check out Palantir again, Sid. Still going up, above 21 now. Wish I bought a couple shares. Think I have one more month of that brokerage account before I can just clear it out if I need to. But actually, I don't need to right now. Hey, AB. I'm sorry, A6B. Um, I know a couple people that have been successful with that. I've never personally done it, so I don't have firsthand experience. But I know a guy that we used to do it with MES and MNQ. What two assets are you thinking about doing it with? Nice, Sid. Okay. Now be careful because some of the props, and I don't know which ones. I would have to look. Do have rules against hedging like the same instrument like that. I don't remember which ones, or because it's not something I've looked up much. Everyone I've talked to that's tried doing this has done it like with like MNQ and MES or something like that. And yeah, like Sid said, Sid's a if you don't, I know you're kind of new here. Sid is a $1 million trader and investor, so he knows what he's talking about. But if you think this is for some reason something you want to do, definitely do it on a sim account first. Don't be doing it on any account that matters. Test it for a while. But like I said, that may go against. It probably won't. It probably won't break any rules for evaluations, but it probably would break rules on funded accounts on at least some of the companies. Yes, they can once you're on a funded account, they monitor things closer than you would think. Right. Hey, Gregory. Like evals, they don't care. They don't, I shouldn't say most of them don't care how you pass an eval, which is really stupid because it's supposed to be an evaluation. But most of them don't care how you pass an eval. But once you're on a funded, they monitor things really close. So yeah, I mean eval, yes, but I mean then you're going to need a new strategy for once you're funded. Nice pop here. A little less than 30 minutes to go in the stream. A little less than 30 minutes to go in the stream. You're welcome. Always happy to help. This entire
The entire community is always happy to help. I mean, look, I didn't even know Gregory was here, and all of a sudden he popped up and helped. How you been doing, Greg? Sorry. I shouldn't shorten people's names without knowing if they like that. Easily recoverable. So nice rise up here from the new low. 598 did dip under 600. Now back up 50 points. Wow, I didn't realize how quick that happened. Gold pulling back a little bit. Hanging around 650. Russell's still heading up. The Dow had a big pullback. It's trying to recover from that, and crude oil's dumping. Remember, you should never dump crude. Causes an ecological catastrophe. Oh yeah, that's a great point. Just gonna stay glued there all day. ES trying to bounce down there. So how are you ending up today so far? I mean, I realize that people trade after my stream ends, but I know RJ's up, Gregory's down slightly, Sid's up, Tio's up. So Tio, are you gonna be joining us in the morning more often, or is this just a one-time thing? Tio might already be gone. Excellent, Crypt. Good to hear that. Good. You're always welcome here, Tio, except for on the days the Phillies play the Padres. No, just kidding. And what's that strategy, Crypt? I mean, okay, Crypt. Ah, the Phillies really haven't done much this winter, but that was expected. See how it goes. Good. Now, no reason to take my suggestions, Crypt, but I would still size down. That way, when you're wrong, you don't end up like in a major hole. But that's just me. I've always thought you knew how to trade, Crypt. I really do. I believe you can be successful. And I know you get down on yourself, and I know you get down on trading, but I really believe that if you just go slower with smaller size, I really believe this could be your thing. And I want that for you very, very much. I think you're a good guy. You have a nice family. Build nice snowmen. And you deserve it. Just need to maybe chill a little bit. Would you like me to record it so you can play it when I'm not on stream, Crypt? But in all seriousness, Script, I want success for you, buddy. And that's why I've always kind of harped on you to try and just go down to one contract. You don't need to go full clip. Especially once you get funded, because you're regularly getting to a PA account. You've had, so once you're, there's people here that advocate going full clip on evals, and I can definitely see that strategy. But once you're in a funded account, then slow but sure. You don't need a lot each day to, get what you need. That's from a television show, isn't it, Ace? I just can't remember which one right now. Whoa, hey, blue sky. Okay, yeah, I think that's right. I knew I've seen it before, but I couldn't remember where. Blue Sky, is that you, Josh, or is that somebody else in Blue Sky? Right, okay. About 15 minutes left to go in our stream. After stream, I'm going to be trading some Blue Sky trading competition account action. See what I can do there. Oh yeah, that reminds me. Blue Sky's started their trading competition again this month. Need to have a Blue Sky account and $5 to enter. Last time someone won, and maybe not last time, but one of the times someone entered on the third to last day, and I think they got one of the top three places. Just hanging in this 49 area that RJ continues to remind me about. Ace is just joking. Ace trades his own account and puts us all to shame. Ace is a legend here, which is why he has the memes. Ace's motto is 2 points a day on ES can feed a family. When he doesn't get it, half of part of his family goes hungry that day. Oh yeah, you've had what, one red day in the last couple of months? kind of sitting here watching paint dry right now. NQ's kind of just bleh. Yeah, I do hate it when I lose my nuts. So it popped back up to 657, back down to 628. ES sitting at 49.61. Ultra Bond's having a day. Crude oil made another new high before dumping. Once again, remember, you should never dump crude oil. It's bad for the environment. I'll have a blue candle on NQ. See if it holds for the next 4 minutes. It went away. Market's kind of like gone blah. Remember at the top of the hour, though, I don't know. This news report has to have existed before, but I don't ever remember New York Fed quarterly household credit report, and it's marked with red in financial news. So I don't know if that's actually gonna like do anything. I don't ever remember that news report before. Sitting here. Yeah, I don't. Like I said, Financial Juice has that marked as red, but I've never heard of it before, so I don't know. Yeah, there are a bunch of Fed speakers coming up later today. We'll probably hang here for just a minute or two after the top of the hour just to see whether or not that does anything, just because I'm curious. Curiosity killed the cat, but it did not kill the ox. Pull back on the ultra bond. How are you doing today, John? Did you take any more trades? Excellent job, John. Excellent. That's a good day. FTMO is a live funded account. It's Forex. He's one of the few people here that have been on the stream that trade both Forex and futures props. One day he'll make the switch to all futures. There's way more Forex prop trading companies than there are futures. Forex prop trading is probably like 10 times bigger than futures prop trading. There are good companies out there, Ace. There are some that are fly by night. It's a lot easier to be fly by night in the Forex arena, but there are some good ones. FTMO has a great reputation. They're a good one, etc. So we are 30 seconds from that mysterious news report. We'll see if it does anything. Nothing special at all. Nothing at all. Of course, no numbers have popped on it either, so I have no idea what the heck it is. Oh, now Yellen's speaking. She was an hour late. Ace, I don't think I've ever seen you take a trade this late. New York Fed says 3.1% of debt was in some type of delinquency during fourth quarter of 2023. Delinquency rates rose quarter four 2023, but remain below pre-pandemic levels. Total household debt up $212 billion to $17.5 trillion in the fourth quarter of 2023. So that's the household credit report. Delinquency transition rates are up for all borrowing types except student loans. So that's the New York Fed quarterly household credit report. It's a bunch of numbers, and it's not moving the market any. Wow, I don't think I've ever seen Ace say he didn't feel like running. Well, Ace, you almost got 2 sim points. And so that's where we are going to call it for the day. Do I thank everyone for joining me today? We'll be back here tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Yeah, they want it warm here all week, like 60 on Friday. Thank you all for being here. We'll be back tomorrow. See you then. Bye. You too, John. Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also, want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.